Christmas, Alexis.
Thanks.
Olay!
Welcome to day 4 of the 25 days of Christmas. How are you today?
Hi.
Today, it's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
So it's what?
Winter Wednesday crafts. We're gonna make stuff with our hands.
There's many ghosts in my house today.
We are living in the murder house.
Paranormal activity. So today, what we decided...
Not normal activity.
By the way, we're reunited.
And it feels so
good. So we thought today we would make some Christmas masks.
Because who doesn't like to dress up on Christmas and scare Santa?
He sees you when you're sleeping.
And we were going to be limited to red and green, but I feel like Santa likes all the colors of the rainbow. Because Santa's all about equality.
There's a moral message in every episode.
Every episode. I like doop it. You gotta doop it.
No, organize them.
Organization!
Because Christmas is all about giving, we decided to make the masks for each other. So I will make one for Eric, and vice
make
versa.
One for Alexis. Here, we're gonna divide it though because.
Do we need folders? You know.
You know, we're just gonna not divide it.
Yeah. Timer set. 5 minutes.
And go. I'm gonna start with a. Your face is like a.
I'm already overwhelmed.
Octagon. Ah! Ah!
I'm gonna make you look like a pretty elf.
You're gonna look like a pretty stop sign when I'm done.
It looks like a stop sign.
I know this.
You have 2 giant zips.
Oh my god.
Is that a stop sign?
Nope.
Pencil thin eyebrows because you care about your looks. So I'm gonna make them brown.
Yay!
How are we doing on time?
2 minutes and 3 seconds!
Purple. We have 28 seconds left.
Ah!
I forgot your ears. You're gonna be deaf. Okay.
Ah!
It looks just like me.
It's so cute!
I like to call this one, it's called Jameson, the unjelly elf.
I'm so cute.
He doesn't like Christmas, it's just his job. He's working to pay for his elf family.
Mm-hmm.
And Christmas is a really stressful time for him.
I don't use tweezers either.
No, he doesn't really care, you know?
Yeah.
He's stressed. Those are also his stress marks.
Okay.
You know when people get them?
Not like, I didn't talk to like a cute person. It was like, I had pimples.
Yeah, he's really breaking out because it's stress and it's Christmas.
I'm not greasy. You know, I just wanted to go for the elf look because we're all Santa's little helpers.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't really have room for the hat. So I was like,
I think it's cute.
gotta make it fit, snapback. So this is actually a bill of the hat. This is the top of the hat. It's totally cool.
Right.
Your eyebrows are like, you know, just, like you tried.
Like upside down V's.
You tried, yeah.
Is my nose a candy cane?
Your nose is a candy cane.
Do you know how convenient that would be?
You can just, it'd be really good if you could lick your nose.
I am a fan of my facial tattoos.
Mm-hmm. Your elf has been in prison a few times. And people in prison are all about like...
She was on Orange is the New Black.
Yeah, except green is the new red.
We're gonna go put these on.
We're gonna coot them out. Just do it.
Oh. Does it look good?
It looks real good.
I can't see anything.
Family picture.
Okay guys, that wraps it up for us today. Please come back
tomorrow, talking nerdy stuff on Nerd Thursday. Bye. Boop, 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 boop. The weird ones. Everybody, I don't know who you are. I'm good.